What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Shaun the sheep. Let's begin today's lesson. On the top center of our page. We're going to draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, go all the way around toward the bottom, and then back up toward the top. Now I want the eyes to touch in the center. So we're going to start right in the middle, go over towards the right side, up towards the same height, and then back down. Now in the center of each eye, we're going to draw a smaller circle for the pupils. And you want to fill the pupils in black. Now with the eyes complete, let's move up to the top and draw the bottom edge of the hair. We're starting in the center with a curve, coming down and then up. Now let's work our way over towards the left side, adding a couple more curves. Going all the way around, and just pull that up toward the top. Now I want to work our way around the side and up towards the top of the head. So add one curve along the side. And going back to the left, we're going to start to bring this around and just flatten off the top of the head with a series of these bumps. Now from here we're going to step down on the left side, draw a straight angle line, coming down and then out, go over towards the right, and do the same thing. And close off the bottom of the head with a curve, starting back on the left, transition to a curve coming across the middle, and then up on the right. Along either side, along the bottom, add two circles for the nostrils, and we'll fill the nostrils in black. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to draw in the ears, starting on the left. We want to bend this up, and then down towards the side. Now I want to round out the ears and just taper this back in towards the head. So start back on the left, curve around, pull that in. Now the space gets narrower as we go up and then in towards the side. Let's do the same thing on the right. So we're just going to round this out, come in towards the side of the head. Let's add a fold across the bottom. We're going to start from the bottom of the ear, going up, come around, and just pull that back in across the bottom. Now over on the left side of the head we have the mouth. So we're going to start right here. Start by going up, round at the mouth, and then pull that in toward the side. Let's trace the mouth along the inside. Let's add the top row of teeth with a straight angled line. Come down towards the bottom and do the same thing. And you want to separate the teeth with a vertical line going across. Now along the bottom, we're going to add the tongue. Bend this up and then in. And you want to fill that outside area in black. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw that furry body. We're going to start on the left side, bend this out and in. Line this up on the right. Now it's going to work our way down the side, just adding these little bumps, just like we did with the head. Coming down to right about there. Do the same thing on the right. Now I just want to close this off. So back on the left, goes down and up across the middle. Now I'm just going to work our way over towards the right side. Let's leave a gap in the center. We're going to start over toward the left side, draw a straight line coming down towards the heel. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Starting back on the left, this down and then up. Let's go back to the left side, curve the foot, going up. Now we're going to bend that down, leaving a small gap along the inside. Let's go back to the bottom. We're going to split the hoof, going up and then in with one curve. And then from the top of the foot, we're going to step over, draw another straight line going up underneath the body. Now we're going to go back up to the top. Along the side of the body, we're going to draw on the arms. Let's start right here. Bend this out and then down towards the wrist. Now from here, we're going to bend the wrist in towards the hand. So we're going to come in and then down towards the bottom. Let's separate the finger. We're gonna go up and then out. Let's layer one finger in behind. So from the tip, we're gonna step over, goes down towards the tip, then the hand going all the way out and back in towards the wrist. Now from the wrist, step out to create an overlap, and bend the arm going up and then in behind the body. Let's add a furry tail in behind the body, just swinging over towards the left. So we're gonna start up here, add a series of curves, come around towards the bottom. That's gonna pull us up in behind the leg and back up underneath the body. And then we're gonna add a little bit of texture inside the body. So we're gonna start on the left side, just add these little curves, just in these random areas. Also vary the size. Let's go ahead and add some across the top of the head. We'll add a little bit more in the tail. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Shaun the sheep. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on School. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.